Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, choose someone and block. Click this person, tap on three dot option and click on block. Just click and tap on block. Okay, this person is blocked, and click on profile, tap on three line option and search on block it. Okay, and 3-person blocked account, just click on unblock, tap on unblock and okay, unblock someone on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.